Right guys, this week I have got this for you. This is absolutely amazing. It's a Bangladeshi home style tomato chutney. You would not get this in the restaurants or anything, so you can make this at home. Follow the recipe, really simple to make, but it's absolutely delicious. You can have it with your onion bhajis, samosas, or just part of the main course as a side salad. That'd be great. Enjoy the chutney, guys. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, I will be showing you how to make Bangladeshi home style tomato chutney. Very simple recipe, but very tasty, and you can have it with your onion bhajis, samosas, or even with your curry as well. Now, what we need for our homemade tomato chutney is I've got 2 tomatoes. I'm also going to be using 2 dry red chillies, 2 green chillies, and I've got 3 cloves, bunch of coriander, and I'm also probably going to be using just under half an onion with it. First things to do to make our homemade tomato chutney is I'm going to bake these in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes on about 200 to 220 degrees. So whilst the tomatoes are in the oven, guys, what we're going to do now is gently roast the red chilies and also the 3 cloves of garlic on medium to low heat. Just gently roast them. Should take about 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll know once it's done. You'll get the aroma from the chilies, and also the color will change as well. There you go. So these are done now. You can see. Even if you feel them, if they've gone tough, they've gone crispy. The garlic, you can see, is got its colour on them as well, so these are done as well. I'm going to leave that here for a bit now while we chop our onion. Also, quickly, just give our garlic cloves a quick chop. Just slice them slightly. They're nice and soft, and they'll have a roasty. So what we're going to do now just crush it all together. I'm going to add half of my onion in here. So add salt to taste. That'll be fine. Alright guys, the tomatoes are done now, so just got them out. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to peel them off. Leave that on the side. What you do is just quickly transfer them onto here. Just remove the skin. And again, when it's in the oven, just move it around, give it a little, so that all sides gets covered. But all we're going to do now, guys, is just mash this up. What we're going to do now is add in our paste. Now give all the ingredients a good mix. So again, if you are making this with kids, for example, and they don't want it, obviously they don't like it to be hot, you could just leave the chilies out. Just do the garlic and onion and coriander mixed with the tomatoes, and that will be really nice with a bit of salt in there. There we go. Here you have it, guys. All the ingredients have been mixed in, and our traditional Bangladeshi home-style tomato chutney is ready for you to enjoy. So enjoy this with your starters, with the main courses, and be sure to give our channel a like and a subscribe and share our channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care, guys.